welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Snake, snake, snake. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you have subscribed, subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified because I do surprise uploads sometimes. Yeah. If you are already one of my little subbies, then you're one of my little doll babies, and I love having you here. Okay. Today I'm doing a wig-related video. However, it's a little bit different than I normally do. I don't normally haul when I get wigs in. I just open them up and start doing what I'm doing. And I thought, hey, why don't I make a video where I show them and you can weigh in on what you want to see, because a lot of times I'll get wigs and you may not see them on my channel for quite a while. So this way you will see what I've hauled, and then you can vote down below what you want to see first. So let's just get into it. All of these wigs I got from a wig seller. I will put them down below. I get her on Poshmark. So what I do is I sell the wigs that I review and customize and everything. I sell that on my Poshmark, and then I use that money to purchase new wigs for you guys. So that is how I am currently keeping the stock fresh on my channel. These are some wigs that I just got using the credits I had in my Poshmark from the wigs that I sold, that I reviewed for you, so that I could sell them to buy more wigs to review for you. Because I'm a wig reviewer. I lost it. Okay, just turn off my AC because I forgot that it was on, and it's 1,000 degrees. So, alright, the first one I got, this is Red Carpet Premiere, which is basically main concept. And this is, who is this? This is Rika? Okay. Okay, so this is Rika. Ooh, look at that pretty color. It's a yaki textured wig. I'm just gonna make a pile of all this. I know it's necessary, but like sometimes the way wigs are packaged, there's a lot of waste. Oh, Rika is a free parting wig. Okay, she's like a 13 by 6. Yeah, 13 by 6. Yaki style. So this is Rika. Okay, next up I have Outray's Lorelie. Okay, and this is part of that pre-layered V-cut. This is part of the line that I absolutely love from Outre, that has like Ebony, Halle, Soraya, Coco, all those ones that I'm obsessed with. So I'm very, very excited to try this wig. Let's go ahead and take her out of here. It says that she has a 5-inch eye-shaped parting. There's not been a wig in this line that I haven't wanted to keep and I have loved. All right, I have her in the color number 2. I don't normally rock with number 2s, but she looks so pretty. Oh yeah, I can already tell. This one is a little more, more of a, like a natural curly feel. And she's got that parting. There's some baby hairs, lace front. She feels super soft. She's a little bit, all the other ones that I have are really, really long. This one is shorter. Ooh, they have her in the color DR2/autumn brown. I would love that. So yeah, so I got her. Okay, next up I have another one from Outre, and this is their perfect hairline, and it says fully hand-tied 13 by 6 lace wig. Her name is India. It's a pre-braided style wig, and I have her in the color 2. So it shows here like the hairline and such. I have not tried any of these. You can see the scalp on that one. Oh, this is nice. It has a band already in it. And then that's what that looks like. So it's got that 13 by 6. This is going to be very, very interesting. Light yaki texture, beautiful wave. It's sort of that protein infused. I'm excited to try this one. We'll see how she looks. Alright, next I got another one of the Vivica A. Fox wigs. This was actually a subscriber request suggestion, and this is Bree, and I have her in the color TP613/27. So let's open her up. Okay, this one does not have a comb in the back, does have adjustable strap. This is a full cap wig, which I don't mind. It's a faux skin top parting, but it's not like the plastic. It's actually fabric, which is interesting. It's a yaki texture. I'm actually interested to see how this one goes. Feels really good. I think I can slay this one. I'm telling you right now. I can already see it with my blondes. It's like my regular, it's like my hair color. Yeah, I'm excited for this one. Okay, we got 2 more. This is my favorite company, Freach Sequel, and this is Kate, and it is their Lace Deep Invisible Parting, and I have her in the color FF1B/27. This one looks really nice, this color that's shown, which is FF1B30. Okay, so the FF for them is face framing, so the highlights, so on this one the 27 is going to be right in the front against the face. It's giving me more of like a copper color. I don't know how I feel about the contrast of the face framing in the 27. I think in the 30 it would be a little better, but I'd have to try her on. Even in this 99J 530 is kind of, but we'll see. It's very soft feeling. I like how it feels very much. It's a lace front, it's got the lace parting, so I do like how it feels. I'll have to see what I can do with her. Interesting. Last but not least, I have Brown Sugar, which is also the main concept. It's their Brown Sugar line. This is their natural hairline, so I haven't tried any of these ones yet. It says, let the real you shine through. Wow. This is a human hairstyle mix, so this is a blend. And this is Miss Acadia. And I have her in the color SR4/30/350. This is a very interesting color. I'm interested in this. Ooh. I'm not one that's big into like red colors. I'm more of a 27 auburn ashy blonde type girl. But okay, so she's got the ear to ear lace, very soft natural curly situation. This is a very interesting color. It is sort of that copper situation. I'm digging this. I'm really liking the hairline. So yeah. Okay, so that's what I have for that wig haul. If there's any of these wigs that you would like to see sooner rather than later, go ahead and put them down below. If there's other wigs that you would like me to review, also put them down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!